if this is like mad dumb that I'm crying. But like I just hit my goal of 100 subscribers. And I don't know why I started crying, but like let me tell you guys. So I did my thrift haul, and this girl named Courtney, she posted like this thing in the Okinawa thrift store's Facebook page. And I'm not usually on Facebook because I'm not on social media that often these days, but I was on it today, and she was like, what have you guys been finding in like the thrift stores and stuff like that? So I was like, well, I don't have a picture of everything, but I linked my video, and this girl named, what's her name? This girl named AJ Rodriguez, she liked my video, and she said she subscribed to my channel, and she was my 100th subscriber. She said, I just subbed to your channel. It's so refreshing to find other YouTubers in Oki. And I'll link her channel down below as soon as she sends it to me, because she has one as well, but she's my 100th subscriber. So you guys, I have 100 subscribers, and I'm so happy that I hit my goal, because it's not even about like, oh, I hit my goal of 100 subscribers. It's just like reaching a goal in life that I had. Like, I wanted 100 subscribers, and I did it, and I was so scared that I wasn't gonna make it, but it is January 23rd, and I reached my goal of 100 subscribers before February, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so happy. I dead teared up a little bit. Now my eye just itching, but yeah, I dead teared up a little bit, and I'm like so happy and so excited. I'm gonna tell my husband, and yeah, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for watching. I know 100 subscribers is like, it's not a lot at all. Like, I mean, it's literally not that many, but I'm so thankful to everybody who subscribed, and seriously, like, I can't even, like, what the heck. I'm so thankful to everybody who subscribed, and I'm just like, I'm so happy that I achieved a goal. Maybe I just don't achieve enough goals in life, but I'm very proud of this one, and it made me very happy to the point where I teared up. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right now. I had a rough, long day, and hitting 100 subscribers really made my day, and I can't even say like thanks enough. Okay, I'm done being dramatic, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. We're about to clean my room. I have a list of everything I need to clean right here. It's right there. And I like to make a cleaning list because it's easier for me to remember and like go in order, because when my room is like in chaos the way it is now, it tends to be a lot for me. So if I just make a list of everything that needs to be done, excuse me, it goes a lot smoother and a lot faster. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I have cleaned my entire room. Let me give you a little view. But here we go. Yeah, but we all saw what it looked like before, but I'm so happy it's done. And it literally only took me 30 minutes to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!